The TCL S55H 2.1 soundbar with wireless has been blowing up in my feed, so I grabbed one. Worth the hype? Let's see. Now, before I dive into all the cool stuff this soundbar can do, let me just say that if you're still using a traditional 5.1 speaker setup from your last living room renovation in 2026, you might want to consider upgrading. I mean, those old speakers are like trying to watch a movie on a brick phone, it's not gonna be pretty. So here's the thing, this soundbar offers 3 features that I think make it stand out from the competition: immersive Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, AI Sonic Auto Room Calibration, and a powerful room-filling performance of up to 220 W. Now, these features might seem like techno-jargon, but trust me, they're real game-changers. The Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X combo brings cinematic audio into your living room, with movies, music, and games coming alive in a way that's just plain entertaining. It's not just about the bass, although, let's be honest, that deep rumble of the subwoofer is a major selling point. But what really sets this soundbar apart is its AI Sonic Auto Room Calibration feature. This tech adjusts your audio to fit your unique room and listening position, giving you balanced sound every time. It's like having a personal audio engineer tweaking your settings on the fly. And then there's the wireless subwoofer, delivering deep bass that fills up the room without taking up too much space. I mean, have you ever tried to watch a football game with a traditional speaker setup? It's like the players are speaking a different language, all those low rumbles and booms are just lost in translation. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this thing worth the investment? And honestly, the answer is yes. The price might seem steep at first glance, but considering what you get, crystal clear dialogue, detailed mids, and a subwoofer that brings it all together, I think it's more than fair. Real talk, if you're someone who loves their movies and TV shows, and just wants to have a solid home theater setup without breaking the bank, this soundbar is worth checking out. It's not going to blow your mind with flashy features or gimmicks, but what it does offer is top-notch performance that'll make your entertainment experience feel like you're right in the action. So, should you grab one? If you want to skip the Amazon guessing game, subscribe, new video every week. The Amazon link is right below. Until next time, happy shopping.